negative 3x squared. Hello guys, Mr. Lee. So for today's video, we're gonna learn how to find the slope of a tangent line in a certain function using the limit formula or using the limit process. Okay, so we have here an example. Letter A, f of x is equal to 4x squared plus 5x plus 1 at point 27. Okay, so we're gonna use the limit in order to find the slope of tangent line. We have f prime of x is equal to f of, we have limit delta x approach to 0, f x plus delta x minus f of x all over delta x. Okay? Okay, so f prime of x is equal to, papalitan natin lahat ng x squared, 5x ng x plus delta x. So huwag kalimutan, we have limit, then bracket, so 4, yun. Then yung x natin, palitan natin ng x plus delta x, then plus 5. Okay, yung x again, x plus delta x, and then plus 1 minus the original function. What's the original function? We have 4x squared plus 5x plus 1. Okay? The next, as delta x approaches to 0. So f prime of x, we have, may squared dyan, huwag kalimutan. So ang gagawin natin, the limit is delta x approaches to 0. So x plus delta x times x plus delta x kasi squared siya, so 4. So ang sagot niya ay x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared. Okay? So paano na po yan? We have x plus delta x times x delta x, x squared times x squared, x times positive delta x, we have plus x delta x, then next one, delta x times x, positive x delta x, and then delta x times delta x is equal to delta x or delta x squared. Next, okay, the next plus 5 times x, 5x, 5 times delta x is 5 delta x. Okay, next, plus 1. Then, negative times 4x maging negative 4x squared. Negative times positive 5x, negative 5x. Then negative times positive 1, that's negative 1. Okay? What's the next? By the way, that's all over delta x. So, meron siyang over na delta x. Okay, ano next? So, kung mapapansin natin, we have ito, hindi pa natin nakuha. We have f prime of x. So, limit as delta x approaches 0. So, we have 4 times x squared, 4x squared. 4 times 2x delta x is 8x delta x. 4 times delta x squared. is equal to 4 delta x squared. Okay? Then, copy lang, plus 5x plus 5 delta x plus 1 minus 4x squared minus 5x minus 1. Okay? All over delta x. Okay, next, as we observe, magka-cancel na tayo. So, cancel lang. Negative 1, positive 1. Negative 5x, positive 5x. And then, negative 4x squared. May positive 4x squared doon. Okay, so ang natira na lang ay, so kalimutan, f of x, f prime of x is equal to the limit as delta x approaches 0. We have 8x delta x, ano pa, then plus 4 delta x squared, and then plus 5 delta x. So, yan lang. Right? Okay. All over delta x. What is the next one? Okay. Ang gagawin natin ay, okay. So, ilalabas natin ang delta x. Labas natin ang delta x. F prime of x limit as delta x approaches 0. So, ilabas natin ang delta x. Di ba, meron silang delta x by factoring or factor. We have delta x. Then, matira na lang 8x. And then, plus 4 delta x kasi mawala na yung isa. Plus 5. Tama? However, delta x. And then, ang mangyari, f prime of x is equal to the limit as delta x approaches 0. Papalitan natin ngayon ang lahat ng by the way, cancel muna natin. Cancel na kasi mag-cancel siya. Ang delta x. So, matira na lang ay 8x plus 4 delta x plus 5. All over. Wala na siyang over kasi na-cancel na natin. Then, f prime of x is equal to the limit as delta x approaches to 0. So, gagamitin natin na yung 0. I-substitute natin. We have 8x plus 4 equal to 0. Then, plus 5. Okay? So, ang mangyari maging we have f prime of x is equal to 8x plus, okay, 5 kasi 0 naman yan. Okay? So, ito ngayon na sagot niya. So, ang gagawin natin para makuha yung slope of the tangent line is subject lang natin ang value ng x. Ang x natin ngayon, 0.27, di ba? So, kung i-subject natin yung value, so maging, that's f prime of x. Subject natin ng value ng x, we have 8 times 2 plus 5. Tama? So, 8 times 2 is 16 plus 5. Okay? So, 16 plus 5 is 21. Therefore, ang slope natin ay 21. Okay? So, mahaba lang siya, masyado. Okay, so next, we're gonna find the slope of the function or tangent line to the function f of x is equal to 3x squared plus 5 at x is equal to 2. So, using limit f prime of x is equal to the limit as delta x approaches 0, f x plus delta x minus f of x all over delta x. Then, f prime of x is equal to limit as delta x approaches 0. So we have 3, then our x plus delta x squared, okay, then plus 5. Then minus original function 3x squared plus 5, okay, all over, okay, delta x f prime of x limit as delta x approaches 0. So 3, so x plus delta x squared is equal to x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared, then plus 5. Okay, so next, negative times 3x squared, 3x squared, negative times positive 5, negative 5. Okay, next, all over delta x. Okay, so f prime of x, the limit or limit as delta x approaches 0. So 3 times x squared, 3x squared. 3 times 2x delta x is equal to 6x delta x. 3 times delta x squared is equal to 3 delta x. Okay, delta x squared plus 5 minus 3x squared minus 5. Okay, all over delta x. Okay, so i-cancel natin yung mga cancel. We have negative 5, positive 5, negative 3x squared, positive 3x squared. So, natira na lang, we have f prime of x is equal to limit delta x upper to 0. So, natira, yes, 6x delta x plus delta or 3 delta x squared. Okay? All over delta x. So, gagawin natin ay ilabas natin ang delta x. So, f prime of x is equal to limit as delta x approaches to 0. Labas natin, we have delta x, then quantity, matira na lang 6x plus, okay, 3 delta x. Okay? Over delta x. So, cancel ito. Matira na lang 6x plus 3 delta x. So, f prime of x is equal to the limit as delta x approaches 0. We have 6x plus 3. So, i-subject natin ng 0 kay delta x. So, natira na lang ay, so f prime of x is equal to, natira na lang ay, okay, wala na yan, so 6x na lang. So, therefore, f prime of x is equal to 6x. So, para makuha ang value ng slope, ang gagawin natin ay f prime of x, subject natin ng value ng x. Kasi sabi doon, we have x is equal to 2. So, 6 times 2 is equal to 12. Therefore, ang slope natin ay 12. So, ganun lang siya.